Hi, it's Dan here from Thomas Order Support. I'm just going to take you through setting up our theme Padre for WordPress. We're just starting off with a basic local WordPress install. It's completely blank and fresh, just running a default theme. And we're going to go through setting up the theme, getting it all installed, and setting the demo data up as well. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to head to the admin area and install the theme. This is all going to be very familiar to anyone who has worked with WordPress before. Just head to Appearance, Themes, Add New, and Upload. I'll grab the zip there. And depending on the speed of your connection, this can take a few moments. Obviously, it's pretty fast here, so we're going to upload and activate that now. And if we take a quick look at the front end of the site, you can see there the styling has certainly changed, but there's lots of bits missing from the demo, and we're going to go ahead and sort that out now. So back in the admin area, you'll notice there's a little message here telling us to install a couple of plugins. Basically what that means, we've got a framework plugin which basically powers the theme, adds all the extras, post types and whatnot in there. We've got Visual Composer, which is our page builder of choice. And we also recommend Contact Form 7, which is by far the best free plugin for forms. We want all of these, so we're going to go ahead and click the link there to begin installing. And the script we use actually allows us to install all these in bulk, so we can click this top box here to select all of the items here, and from the drop down we'll choose install, and the script will go along and just grab each plugin and install and activate it for you one by one. And again, depending on the speed of your connection and your server, this can take a few moments, but you will get feedback visually, as you can see, when each item is successfully installed. Okay, nearly done. Okay, we've got all the plugins that we've recommended installed. We're good to go. We're just going to quickly head back to the admin. We'll take a look at the front end now, just so you can see what to expect. So you see, even though we've added these plugins, nothing's really changed. We've just finished basically setting up the back end, the foundation, so that we can now import the demo data. The process is something we've made incredibly simple for you. Simply head to the theme options, which in our case is handled by Appearance and Customize. And right at the top here, you'll see a special little section we've added called Demo Data. And within there we can essentially just import all of the demo data with one click. All it's telling you in this little blurb is to let you know that it can take a while to process this, because there are a lot of images to grab, although you will notice that some of them will be blurred. We simply can't distribute them. We'll click the button and just see here we've got a little option, a little pop-up here telling us just to double check that we've installed all the plugins. So if you're following along with this video and you haven't yet done so, please skip back and install them all. You do need the plugins installed for the import to work successfully. So we've done all that, so I'm going to go ahead and hit OK while the import runs. I'll pause the video. Okay, so a few minutes have gone by and the demo data is all imported. Once it's complete, you'll have this little pop-up here saying it's all done. So we will clear that and we'll exit the theme options. And if we take another look at the front end of the site and see what we've got. So it's still looking very much like a blog, but we've got the demo post and things all in there. What we need to do next is set the home page up and the menu, which we've all provided for you in the demo data. It's just a couple of little options you need to do. So to begin with, to set the front page to one of the demo home pages, you go to Settings and then Reading. And then here you've got where the it's currently it's currently showing the latest post. We don't want that. We're going to choose a static page instead, and from the drop-down box, we're just going to choose the front page from the demo data, and we also need to set a post page as well. So we'll choose the blog. Okay, so let's take another look at the front end. Okay, perfect. It's certainly getting there. We've got a nice big header and things here as well. We're just going to add the menu in finally, and we're pretty much good to go. To set the menu up, which again we've provided with the demo data, just head to Appearance and Menus, and I like to do it from the Manage Locations tab here. And you'll see under the drop down menu box here we've supplied you with a standard navigation, so we can just save that. Okay, we take another look. You'll see now we've got the whole menu set up, ready to go. We've got all the different demos that we can flick through. And we're pretty much good to go to start customizing this. So from here onwards, you may want to start obviously replacing the images, setting up your own logo. But from this point onwards, you've got a good base, exactly like the demo, ready for you to do what you wish. If there's any problems following along with this, or if there's anything else, just come and see me over at support. I'll be happy to help. Other than that, thanks very much for watching.